you should be living what you're telling people to do. And so one of the fastest ways for your mentees and your coaches, for the people inside of your programs and courses to actually get the results that you keep telling them they are going to get is for you to model it. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I've helped hundreds of creative entrepreneurs and business owners to take back their free time, generate additional revenue, and celebrate while living that work from anywhere lifestyle through creating online courses and digital education. So I'm super excited that you guys are here. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Right? Let's get it. Hello, what is going on? Awesome, beautiful party peeps. It's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. And today we are jumping into the topic of your life should model your words. Okay, so your life should model your advice is technically the topic or the title for today. Your life should model your advice. Okay, so let's get into this really quickly because I know that I talk a lot about the words that you use, right? And I'm going to caveat this and we're going to start this thing off and I'm going to let you know that the words that you use actually do matter. I talked about this earlier this week or last week. There is an episode all about using fear tactics in your marketing. There's another episode about tacky marketing. Okay, so this applies to your marketing, but also like to your personal development as well as the people that you want to mentor and coach. Your words definitely matter. And again, your words, your life should model your advice. So you can use the right words all day long to inspire others, to encourage others to take action, some of which they already know they need to do, but sometimes we need to hear it from someone outside of ourselves. And others, to inspire people to new action, new ideas, things that maybe they haven't thought of before. But your words matter just as much as what you do. And I will tell you, pro tip for your online courses and programs, your mentorship programs, not just coaching. In my opinion, mentorship and coaching are two different things, okay? But they can be brought together, which I often do in many of my programs. So the coach is there to pump you up, excite you, right? Help move you forward in the right direction by like that inspiration, those encouraging words, right? Like, you got it, go, 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 go. Your mentor is there to take you by the hand and guide you step by step and say, hey, here's your next step. Here's the next one. Here's exactly what we need to be doing. And so I believe in pairing the two, especially inside of my programs. But I want to bring this because you should be living what you're telling people to do. And so one of the fastest ways for your mentees and your coaches, for the people inside of your programs and courses to actually get the results that you keep telling them they are going to get is for you to model it. Okay, so you have to be doing the thing that you're asking other people to do. And you'll find that people get results faster when that happens. Okay, so inside of your courses, if you want to help accelerate your students' results, your mentees and coaches' results, just model what it is that you are giving them advice about. Okay, so you should be doing the thing. So it's no longer, and it's really never been, that saying like, do as I say, not as I do. I feel like it should be do as I do. Like, how many times have we looked up to people, whether they be people that we see on TV, we admire, right? Actors, maybe parents, maybe older siblings, right? All of those folks. What's going on? The Dr. Zinks. Hello. Says, yo, what's up? Hey, IG, I see you on as well. And I appreciate the likes. I appreciate you sharing this out to your network, okay, so that we can get this message out to more of the world. So thank you for being here on today. And so how many times do we look up to different people, right? We have, maybe it's a famous actor. Maybe it's mom, dad, parents, siblings, guardians, right? People that we've looked up to, and they're human, okay? They make mistakes. And we've seen simple mistakes like people saying the wrong thing and them owning up to it. We've seen mistakes like people slapping people on the stage. Okay. But those things, and we're talking about today, living the advice that you're giving to other people. What is going on? UK in the building, India in the building. Hello. What's up, Lime? What's up, Dr. Zinks? What's up? Is it Kolan? I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Hello. And so we've seen people do like these small things and take accountability for it. And again, these are people that sometimes we've looked up to or we've admired their work ethic or whatever it be. But then there are others who've been accused, and we've seen it all this year, last year, right, of some heinous things, like some things that are just like, whoa, low down, out of control. Okay, all of those things. They're thrown in jail, fall from grace, all of those. And we find out that some of those people weren't who they claimed to be or who they appeared to be. Okay, and that's sometimes it hits some people harder than it hits others, to be honest, like especially kids, right? People who are super impressionable about their goals and what it is that they want to accomplish. And so we have to keep that in mind when you are, and this is why I say mentorship isn't for everyone. Like everyone can't be a mentor. Everyone shouldn't be teaching different things. And I know I'm all about teaching from your life experience, teaching what it is that you know, but it's not for everyone because there's a different standard that you have to uphold, okay? Understanding that your influence is impactful to somebody else's life. And so when you're going to go and mentor someone or teach someone from your life experiences, we need to make sure that our virtues are aligned, our morality, our ethics, all of those things. So everyone cannot be a mentor. And of course, there are some people, right, that we see on TV or some people who are living these very public lives, and some people didn't sign up for the public life, okay? Like, so there's that. But if you're going to sign up for this thing, okay, and you want to be a mentor, you want to teach other people, then you have to make sure that all your values, your ethics, your morals, those things are in line, okay? Super, super important. So I wanted to bring this really quickly. I even talked about this a lot. I've had several conversations like with my parents. It was crazy. Like maybe a few years ago, not that long ago, I had this like crazy realization just like out of nowhere. I'm like, oh, y'all are people. Right? Like as I started to get older, it's like, oh my God, you guys are people. You guys make mistakes too. You guys are still learning through life. And so we have to recognize that too, right? To give people some grace. And I'm talking about for those little small errors and mistakes that they may make throughout. However, still sticking by your virtues, right? Being a virtuous person, and sticking by your morals, your ethics, and upholding those values. Again, it's not just about the advice that you're giving if you're not living it. You have to be living your advice, okay? So, so important. Who else do I have on? Kimberly, yes, that's exactly what I was talking about. What's going on this morning, evening, afternoon? Let me know, by the way, where y'all are watching from. I always like to know what time it is, wherever it is that you are. What's going on, Fruity? I see you on. I appreciate the compliments. Thank you so much. Sending love back out to you as well. Fiji in the building. I love that. Is it AINML or is it Al and ML? Hello, hello. What is going on? Just a guy strolling by. I appreciate you. So the topic today is living your advice, right? So your life should be a direct reflection of the advice that you give. We can't just be giving people advice, y'all. We have to be living it. All right, super, super important. Fosler, hello, it's good to see you on. Hey Richard, what's going on? Hi Damien, good to see you on as well. Awesome. I don't see any other questions. If you have a question, feel free to go ahead and drop it inside of the chat. Alex, what's up? I appreciate all of y'all being on this morning. It's good to see you back, Alex. I appreciate you being here. If you guys are new here and you're looking for entrepreneurial inspiration, if you're looking to package online courses, mentorship, and coaching programs, and you want to show up and be a mentor to somebody else, have your message go global, okay, throughout this world and reach more hearts and souls and minds and encourage people, again, role modeling what it is that we got to uphold, those values, those virtuous ethics, right? Morals, all of those things. That's super important. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like button, and bell notifications so you know when more episodes like this drop and we can get this message out to more people. Alex says, I'm a big fan. I appreciate that. Pink says, are you a fitness coach? No, I am not, but I gym a lot. Okay. Damien, I appreciate the compliments. Fosler, I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. I am in the States. I'm in the US. Oh, Dr. Zinks, I can't help you with that here, but I appreciate you. Alex, what's going on in the States? Awesome. Richard, I appreciate the compliments. I really do. Thank you all for joining. Hey, Instagram, I see you on as well. If you're looking for the full episode, then you can go over to Jump First Academy on the YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification as well, so you don't miss out on any new episodes. Again, I'm so grateful that you all are here. South Africa in the building. This is amazing. I appreciate all of y'all for being on today. Thank you so much for showing love. I appreciate it. AI and ML says, I'm in the business of artificial intelligence, so I appreciate you clarifying. So I was right the first time. All right. Says that I'm learning and I'm looking for bright ideas. Awesome. Okay. That's always a good thing. I am very biased, but online courses and mentorship programs have been my thing. So, when you learn something, being able to teach it to somebody else, the topic, whatever it is that you are passionate about and know a lot about, okay? That's what you should be teaching about. Alex is from India. It's good to see you in the building. And 22 loves my videos. I appreciate you so much for being here. I remember seeing you on before, and you are a huge advocate for just hit the like button, right? It doesn't cost anything to hit the like button, y'all, so that we can continue spreading this message. That means that you approve of what is going on here, and know that I appreciate you guys, and I'm sending you much love back. Okie321, good morning, Oklahoma in the building. I love seeing all of y'all on and knowing where it is that we are in the world. So I appreciate y'all. I wanted to just bring that today. Like, make sure as we go into this weekend, start to evaluate, like, are you really living the things that you're talking about? The advice that you're giving the people, the things that you are doing in your life, do they align with your moral standards and values and how you're showing up in this world? So important. I appreciate all of y'all. I will see y'all back here tomorrow. Hopefully I'm able to hop on this weekend, usually on between 8 and 9 a.m. Eastern time. Again, let me know where it is that you're watching from and what time it is, so that I can go ahead and I don't know, I'm just always interested. I'm always interested in what time I'm showing up in people's homes or on people's devices. Pink says, I wonder if I can sell an online course for foreign languages. Yeah, all day long. What? I've worked with several people who have done language courses. So yeah, you can teach another language. AI and ML says, I would like to invite you to Fiji. Oh, I appreciate that. Definitely going down, happening one day. I will visit. All right. I appreciate all of y'all. Thank you so much. Maurice Allen Music, I see you on as well. Blessings back at you. Y'all have a wonderful, amazing Friday. Okay. And keep believing in you, because I believe in you. I'll see y'all back here hopefully tomorrow. Have an amazing day. Bye.